Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about what are the homeopathic medicines for the treatment of infertility. So let's talk about it. So first of all, I would like to discuss about what exactly is the meaning of infertility, and in this video we will discuss about the male infertility and female infertility issues, and what are the homeopathic medicines that we can use for the treatment of male infertility and female infertility problems. So let's talk about what exactly is the meaning of infertility. So infertility is defined as the inability to conceive, or you can say get pregnant, despite having regular unprotected sex for 1 or more than 1 year, that is 6 months limit if the female's age is more than 35. So this is the exact meaning of infertility. Means when the person long time to acknowledge infertility, and even when they are ready to face a problem, they grapple with the dilemma of what treatment is best suited. Are you in such a situation where you are unable to have a child, unable to decide which remedy to go in for? Homeopathic medicines offer huge hope and a clear advantage over conventional treatments, and how homeopathic medicines for infertility are safe, successful, and shorn of any side effects, since these medicines use the body's own defenses to counter the infertile conditions compared to the conventional treatments. This treatment is comparatively safer and non-intrusive. Its main advantage is that these medicines are drawn from natural substances which make them toxic free. Cause behind infertility, so let's talk about it. So the cause for infertility can be either present in the male or a female, while in 20% of the cases the cause is present in both the partners. The biggest fallout of this problem is the psychological and the social inadequacy that the couples suffer for being childless. Now we'll discuss about the homeopathic medicines, how homeopathic medicines can help for infertility issues. So let's talk about it. So homeopathic treatment for infertility is mainly achieved through the administration of constitutional homeopathic medicines, which are found most suitable after a detailed case analysis. A detailed case analysis includes the general physical and the mental constitutional makeup of the patient, plus the symptoms in the sexual desire and the underlying cause that is hindering the fertility processes and need to be corrected. Homeopathy for infertility are natural medicines that help by raising the patient's immunity to remove the obstruction that is hindering the process of infertility in a couple. So as you can see here on the screen, we have provided a list of homeopathic medicines for infertility in case of males, and next you can see here we have also provided a list of homeopathic medicines which are used mainly for the treatment of infertility in females. Now one by one we'll talk about these homeopathic medicines. So first of all, we'll talk about what are the top homeopathic medicines for infertility in cases of the males. So first 3 medicines for infertility in males are Agnus castus, Caladium, and Selenium. Now one by one we'll talk about them. So for infertility in the males with the erectile dysfunctioning, there are some top-notch medicines for infertility in the males from erectile dysfunction. Homeopathic medicine Agnus castus is best picked up when both sexual desire and the physical ability are lacking. Genitals are relaxed, flaccid, and cold. Now let's talk about the Caladium. So Caladium is the best choice for impotency with mental depression. Sexual desire is present, but the genitals are relaxed with weak erections. Now let's talk about the next medicine, that is Selenium. So Selenium is also best among the various medicines for infertility in the males from erectile dysfunctioning. Selenium is helpful for slow, weak erections with rapid emissions. Involuntary semen discharges may also be present. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe these three medicines for infertility in males with erectile dysfunction. Now, second medicine for infertility in male is X-ray. So for infertility in males with a low sperm count, X-ray tops the list of the medicines for infertility in the males from a low sperm count. It helps in increasing the sperm count, and it helps in both improving the quality and the quantity of the sperm. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe X-ray. Now let's talk about the third medicine for infertility in males, that is Conium Mac. So for infertility in males with orchitis, Conium Mac is a top grade medicine among the chart of medicines for infertility in the males with orchitis. It is used when the testicles are swollen, hard, and enlarged. It is also effective when a history of suppressed sexual desire is present. Now next medicine, that is the last medicine for infertility in male, is Seville cerulata. So for the infertility in the males with the wasting of the testes, Seville cerulata is one of the best medicine for infertility in the male with wasting, means atrophy of the testes. It is also the perfect medicine for infertility in the males with the prostate enlargement, or you can say prostatitis. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Seville cerulata for infertility in the males with atrophy of the testes. So this was all about what are the top homeopathic medicines for treating infertility in males. Now we will discuss about what are the homeopathic medicines for the treatment of infertility in case of females. So one by one we'll talk about these medicines. So first, two medicines in case of female fertility are borax and natrum phos. So for the infertility in the females due to acid vaginal discharges, borax and natrum phos are the top grade medicines for infertility in the females due to acid vaginal discharges. These homeopathic medicines for infertility in females are used where the vaginal discharges are acrid, destructive, and kill sperm. Borax is a medicine for infertility in females with the vaginal discharge is like the white of an egg, acrid, copious, warm. In such cases, borax favors easy conception. The next medicine is natrum phos. Natrum phos is indicated for infertility in the women who have acrid, irritating, creamy, honey-colored vaginal discharges, and the discharges also smell sour. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe these two medicines for infertility in the females due to acid vaginal discharges. Now second medicine. So for the infertility in females due to profuse or the prolonged period, that is menorrhagia, two excellent medicines for infertility in the females from profuse or the prolonged periods are Calcarea carbonica and Alteris farinosa. First of all, we'll talk about the Calcarea carb. So Calcarea carb is mainly used when a female with infertility has too profuse and too long lasting periods. The periods also appear before time. And next, Alteris farinosa. Alteris farinosa, the main symptoms are early and the copious menses with infertility, leukorrhea, anemia, weakness, tiredness, and fatigue may also persist with menorrhagia. And it is also prescribed where a tendency for frequent abortion is present. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe these two medicines for infertility in females due to too profuse or prolonged period, that is menorrhagia. Now let's talk about the third medicine for female infertility, that is pulsatilla and sepia. So for the infertility in females with short, scanty periods. Pulsatilla and sepia are the suitable medicines for infertility in females resulting from short and scanty periods. First of all, we'll talk about the pulsatilla, then we'll talk about sepia. So pulsatilla is a natural medicine for infertility in the women who have faced menstrual irregularities since their menarche. The menses always get delayed and never appear on the expected date. The menstrual discharges are also scanty and remain for a short time. Pulsatilla tops the list of medicines for infertility in females who are suffering from PCOD. The next medicine is sepia. Sepia is prescribed for infertility in the females where the menses are short, scanty, and suppressed. Along with this, there is a prominent symptom of wearing down sensation in the uterus may be present. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe these two medicines for infertility in females with short, scanty periods. Now fourth medicine. So for infertility in females with decreased sexual desire, there are two medicines, Agnus castus and sepia. So they can be used. They are well indicated medicines in such cases. So first of all, we'll talk about Agnus castus. So Agnus castus is used when there is aversion to sex is there. Excessive masturbation may be a cause behind this. The genitals are also relaxed with transparent vaginal discharges. The next medicine is sepia. It is also used for infertility in females having low sex drive. The vagina may be excessively dry with pain while intercourse. There is a wearing down sensation and is also a marked feature that may appear. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe these two medicines for the infertility in females with decreased sexual desire. Now last medicine, that is fifth one, for infertility in females due to non-retention of the sperm. So there is only one medicine for this, that is natrum carb. So natrum carb occupies the highest rank. It is a very effective for women who have sterility from non-retention of the sperms. Offensive and irritating vaginal discharges may also be present. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe natrum carb for infertility in females due to non-retention of the sperms. So in this video, we have discussed about what are the top homeopathic medicines which are used for the treatment of male infertility as well as female infertility. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Stay safe and stay healthy. And yes, thanks for watching this video.